Hello everybody, it's Chuck at my shop here outside Screwball, and this is just a real quick video, and it's a review of a couple of new tools I got. You can see I've got the Mega Squares from Fireball Tool, and these are both the aluminum. One's the 12-inch by 3 and the other one is the 8-inch. The 8-inch has a flat back on it, which is really kind of nice. And I chose the aluminum versus the cast iron because I plan on using these in my wood shop also, so just for the lightness of it. But don't think that these aluminum squares aren't tough. If you in the second part of this reason to talk about the Fireball tool is I'm always happy to share other YouTube channels with you. And Jason at Fireball Tool has been producing YouTube videos. One, to market his tool, and secondly, he's doing some shop improvements there, and he's really doing some really nice machining. He's got an awesome shop, and I know there's a lot more videos that are going to come from him. So go over and search, pick up the link for Fireball Tool, and go visit his YouTube channel. Now, when I first saw these, he's got a square, Mega Square, the other square, and then an adjustable unit. You guys have probably seen the tools. Well, I first looked at it and said, "Wow, that's just a great idea. Heck, I could do that." So I actually drew this in CAD by looking at it. There was really no dimensions. Figured it out, drew it. And actually had it priced to have it burned to do weld up units. He also sells units that you can purchase and weld your own. And I got a price to get the units, and then I started talking to a couple buddies. If they want me to get them all cut, we'd weld them up, and yeah, it kind of died. And I actually had done some wood mock-ups to figure out size and stuff, and was moving forward on it. And then the other day I said to myself, you know something? Young man, he's got a great design, a great tool. Why not support him? So I placed my order to Fireball Tool, and I'm happy I did. I've had my cylindrical square on the plate here, checking them. These are for welding, but they are very, very precision, and really happy with the quality. So the next thing I guess I'll do is what Jason did, is take a hammer and start hitting them to show you how tough they are. I don't think so. But go to Jason's channel. Unfortunately, I guess a necessary evil. He took a hammer to him to show you how tough these units are. So anyway, that's it for today's video. But I just wanted to share these new acquisition to my shop. Very, very excited about it. And I'm going to move you over and show you one thing on the mill, and that'll be it for today. This is just a quick follow-up to my last video, Hammer Time Part 2. You remember there was a discussion on how to set up and hold these arms on the mill so that these holes can be found and rebored and be perpendicular. And I want to thank everybody for all their suggestions. There was a lot of response. And last night I sat here and continued to fool with it, and I finally, in looking at it, I finally realized that this flat in this casting right here and this flat here on the casting seemed to look pretty true. And so I took and set it up on a couple of blocks. These are like 5/8 by 1.5 inches. There's one on the back side. I put one direction, one perpendicular to the other, and it was doggone close. I just happened to hit it off of luck, and 60,000 shim on this one side, and basically I think I got a pretty good setup. Got it pinned down. It's nice and solid. So waiting on my buddy Flea Market Dave to come over and approve it. He's the boss on this job. It's his tool, not mine. And I think we're ready to locate and bore some holes. So I thought I'd show that to you. and catch you all next video. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and again, go visit Fireball Tool.